There's a FedEx 767 freighter. Going to DFW. Look at that innocent little thing. So innocent. Oh no, I'm taking after my cousin. But it's so innocent. What am I doing? This is me behind the scenes. Perfect out of context moment. Gosh dang, my filming's all over the place. I should just post this, like, just this clip, no sounds, just me in this plane. We got some cool stuff on the way. Air Canada 767, Qatar A350-10, and Emirates 777-300ER, so that's gonna be fun. Alright, it's banking. Oh, this is the Air Canada 767-300 freighter. Oh yeah. Oh, this is a good first clip of this. It's a very loud plane. I'm very tempted to look at it, but I'm not going to because I know I'm gonna lose this Air Canada. Yes. It did exactly what the Iberia A330-300 did. It came at us straight ahead and then did a bank shot, and I got a really good view of its livery. There it goes. Off to DFW. Oh. There's a Qatar Airways A350-10. Look at that magnificent Airbus bird. So innocent. This is a really good clip of it. This might be my best clip of it. But go grass. I love this monopod so much. My videos are a lot more stable than they used to be. Like, they're still a tad bit shaky, but they're not as shaky as they used to be, which is awesome. Okay. There's an Emirates 777-300ER. Look at that. Awesome bird. Favorite plane, second favorite variant. You gotta love the 777-300. So innocent. Maybe a little compilation